subtraction. We are learning this is a subtraction up to 20. The properties of what? Subtraction. In that, properties of subtraction, subtracting 0 and subtracting from 1 number, 1 from a number, and what? The subtracting the number from itself. The properties of subtraction. Here it is a first standard. There is a 3 properties are coming. There is a 1 is 0 properties. Another one is subtracting from 1, and another one is the number, subtracting the number itself. So let us remove all this one. The subtracting 0. What that is subtracting 0? See, when 0 is subtracted, when we are subtracting the 0, then what happened? From a number, then answer should be what? Itself only. So what this one? When 0 is subtracted from a number, then the answer is number itself. Got the point? See what happened? 5 balls I have. Nobody is taken away. So remaining how many? 5 minus 0. The answer should be 5 only. The number itself. Let us see here. The 4 pencils are here. How many pencils? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it is a nothing. Then nothing means what? The remaining itself. 4 minus 0 is 4 only. So we will move on the example. 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0. 0 means nothing. So how many that is remains now? 6 only. So here it is, we have to write down. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anything you are crossing out? Here they told what? 0. 0 means no value. So we are not cross out anything. Then what will becomes? Itself. The number is itself. So 6. 13 minus 0. 13 minus 0 means nothing you are subtracting. The answer should be itself the number. That is a 13 minus 0. Nothing is there. Nothing take away or nothing you are cross out. The answer should be 13 only. Okay. Now we will move on the subtracting 1 from a number. We are subtracting. If you are subtracting 1, what happened? We have to write the before number. 1 we are subtracting. If I am taking 6 and subtracting 1 means what? I am subtracting 1, that is comes 5. That is a backward. That is a we are moving back. That is a before. 6 before what comes? That is a 5 1. So now we are learning this one. What? Subtracting 1 from a number. When 1 subtracted, when we are subtracting 1, what happened from the number? The answer is the number just before. What comes? Just before comes that number. When we are subtracting from the 1, what happened? The number just before it comes. So 6 balls are here. Okay, minus 1. What happened? Minus 1. 6 before what comes? 2 only. So the answer is 2. So we are minusing 1. So what happened? Only 2. If you are cross out 1, what remains? The 2 only. Example 5. 5. Something you guess, that is a 5 cards are there. One is taken away, one person. So 5 is there. 1 is taken away, one person means remaining 4. When we are subtracting the 1, the answer should be just before it comes. So 5 minus 1 means what? See, that is a 4. See, let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am crossing out only 1. That answer should be, that is a 4 just before. 5 just before what? 4. Now we are going to 7 minus 1. 7 before what comes? We are minusing the 1, subtracting the 1 number. Then what happened? The just before number it comes. So 7 minus 1, that is what? 6. What the point? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am crossing this one. The remaining 6 only. This is what? Which property? This is a subtracting 1 1 from a number. Yes, no? This is a subtracting. We learned 0 and 1. Now let us we will move on the subtracting the number. What? From itself. We are subtracting the number from itself. See, 6 balls are here and 6 balls taken away. What happened? 6 balls are here and 6 balls are taken away. Now 6 taken away. Then answer is 0. So the when a number is subtracted from its 6 from its 6 only subtracting itself only, the answer is always 0. Nothing is remaining. Yes, no? So 0. So subtracting the number from its, what happened? The answer should be 0 only. So let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples are here. And what happened? My children are there. They have to taken away. Afterwards, they also eat away. So what happened? Nothing remains. So 4 apples. Okay. And afterwards taken away 4 apples. Then nothing is missed. What? That is a 0. 4 minus 4. The answer should be 0 only. So what happened when a number is subtracted? We are subtracting. Second one is subtracted. Okay, subtracted from itself. The same number itself only. What happened? The answer is always 0. So the example 9 minus 9. See here 9 minus 9. Then answer is 0. So we have to write down 0 only. 3 is subtracting from the itself only. The number itself only. 3 minus 3. The answer should be 0. 4 minus 4. The answer should be what comes? 0 only. This is a 4. The number that is 4 from itself. We are subtracting a number from itself. The answer is 0 only. These are 3 properties in this chapter. So one is subtracting 0, another is subtracting the 1 from a number, another one is subtracting a number from its. Got the point? So we will move on exercise part. Okay? Properties of subtraction. Subtracting 0. So properties of subtraction, in that is a subtracting 0. Now let us see. Fabina is here and Manjit also is here. What happened? Fabina and Manjit are playing together. They are playing together. And what happened? The Fabina has 3 cars with her and the 3 toys car. 3 toys car are there and she does not give any car to Manjit. So how many cars are left with Fabina? So Fabina has 3 cars left with her. So 3 minus 0 is equal to 3 only. When 0 is subtracted from the number, the answer is the number itself. The answer is the number itself. If it is when 0 is subtracting from a number, the answer is what? The answer is the number itself. That is a 0 property. Subtracting a 0 property. Now subtracting 1 from a number. Now subtracting 1 from a number. Now what happened? Okay. Now she is telling, okay, Revati, hi Manjit, you can take 1 toy car. So Revati, okay. Now she is telling, Fabina telling, what? Okay, Revati. Then what happened? He is giving to Manjit. So, hi Manjit, you can take a 1 toy car. Fabina should learn to share your things. This is a good habit. So Revati is telling Fabina is now good. She is a good girl. Now she is learning good habit to share the things. Then thank you Fabina. Manjit is saying thank you Fabina. Then what happened? This is what? Subtracting from a from a number. 1 from a number. See, 3 cars is there and she is giving 1. She is giving. Fabina gives 1 toy to Manjeet. How many cars are left with Fabina? Fabina is left with 2 cars. So that is what? It is a before number. When we are subtracting 1, that is a before that number. When 1 subtracted from a number, the answer is number just before that number. Okay, just before that number is coming. 3 before what? That is a 2. Now subtracting a number from itself. Now itself. Hey, here you go. See, Manjeet, you can take all my cars. Now she is telling, take my all cars. Oh, you are very sweet, Fabina. Thank you so much. She is giving all cars to Manjeet. Now, what happened? Here, subtracting a number from its. From its means, she has 3 cars and she is giving 3 cars to Manjeet. She is giving 3 cars to Manjeet. What happened? Fabina gives all toys car to Manjeet. How many toys are left with Fabina? Fabina is left with 0 toys car. How? 2 cars are there and what happened? 2 cars she is giving, nothing remaining to her. When a number is subtracting from itself, the answer is always 0. The answer is always 0. My practice time 6. So fill in the box. Fill in the box. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 what? 4 minus 1, that is a 3. So 1 minus means before the number comes. Before that number. 4 before what? 3. See, here it is, the answer is 0. 0 means what? The subtracting a number from itself. So itself. So 3 minus 3, that is a 0. And see here, dash minus 1. 4 is coming, that is a before. So we are adding the plus 1. 4 plus 1, that is a 5. Now 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 means what? Subtracting a number from itself. So it is a 0. 5 minus 5, answer is a 5. Then 5 is coming here. 5 it is coming means what? That is what? That is a 0 property. So the number is 5 minus 0 is 5 only. When 0 is subtracting, the answer is itself number. So 0 is subtracting, the answer is itself only. F1, 4. See here it is a 0. When it is subtracting 0 means the number itself only. So 4. So 4 only. 4 minus 0 is 4. Then 2. Here it is a 0. If it is 0 comes, subtracting a number from a 0 itself. So the answer is same. 2 minus 2, that is a 0. Now H1, 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0, that is a 0 is a 0. This is a subtracting the 0. The answer should be itself only. 10 minus 0, that is a 10. Now 9. See, minus 9. Here it is a 8. What happened? Before that number comes, no? 9 before what? 8. So this is which property? This is a subtracting 1 from a number. So 1 from a number, this is a property of subtracting. So 1 has to come here. So 9 minus 1 means that is a 8.